Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code Jiffy. In this video, let's learn about combined predicate in Java. How to combine predicates in Java. So, combining predicate instances in Java is a powerful technique for creating complex Boolean conditions by composing multiple simpler conditions. Okay. The predicate interface allows us to do this using methods like and, or, and negate. This is particularly useful when we need to filter data based on multiple criteria. Okay. Now friends, let's discuss about the methods provided by the predicate interface. The first method is and. Okay, which returns a new predicate that represents the logical and of the current predicate and the other predicate. Okay, and the next one is or, which returns a new predicate that represents the logical or of the current predicate and the other predicate. Okay, and the last one is negate, which returns a new predicate that represents the logical not of the current predicate. Okay friends, now let's dive into code example for combining predicates. So let's see example for combining predicate instances to filter a list of integers based on multiple conditions. Okay, so here I do have one class with name predicate CBE. So first of all, let's create a list of numbers with name numbers P. Okay, so let's continue. A list of type integer. Name of the list I am taking here as numbers P. Equal to list of, I am taking random numbers here. Okay, so friends, here I have created a list of numbers with name numbers P. Friends, here I do have one correction. My Java version is not updated till the current version. I am using a Java version 8, so I cannot use this list of method here. So let's change that. Instead of using list of method, let's use here arrays dot as list method. Array list, import the class array list, and now let's write the method name here arrays dot as list. Okay, just add one bracket here and save the code. Okay friends, fine. Now so let's move on. Create the two predicates with name is even and is greater than 5. Okay, so let's proceed. Predicate of type integer. Name of the predicate I am giving here as is even num lambda operator where number mod 2 equal to 0. Okay, import the interface predicate. Fine. Now let's create another predicate of type integer again, which read as is greater than 5 equal to num lambda operator num is greater than 5. Okay, save the code. Now friends, here we are combining the predicate to filter the list. So let's see how to do that. Predicate integer, predicate of type integer, right here filter predicate. Okay, filter predicate equal to is even dot select the method and is greater than 5. Okay, so here what we have done, we have combined uh, predicate is even and is greater than 5 using the AND method. Okay, which will create the new predicate of name filter predicate. So this new predicate filters numbers that are both even and greater than 5. Okay, now friends, let's use filter method helper method to helper method of name filter list, which will filter a list of numbers using the filter predicate. Okay, so let's do write code for that. Public static type parameter t list, again type parameter t filter list, of type parameter t list comma predicate type parameter t. Predicate. Okay, complete the syntax. Method body, let's continue. List type parameter t, take the result equal to new array list. So friends, here I have made one mistake. I have missed the code to filter the list numbers p. So let's write code for that. List of integer type which will be stored in filtered numbers equal to filter list, and the arguments are here numbers capital P, filter predicate. This one argument we are, this predicate we are passing here. Okay, now let's save our code. Now write code to get the output using the sysout method. Pass the message as filtered numbers plus filtered numbers. Okay, let's save code. Now friends, let's create an enhanced for loop. Atom list write one condition here, if predicate dot test. Okay, atom result dot add item. And what will we need in return? We will have need in return a result. Okay friends, so here is our complete code for combining two predicates. Okay friends, so let's know more about this helper method filter list. Okay, let's talk about this. So friends, this is a generic method definition which takes two parameters. Okay, a list of two elements of type T. Okay, predicate a predicate of type parameter of type T which defines the condition used for filtering, and list about this line, this syntax, list T result equal to new array list. This line number 16 creates a new array list called result to store the filter elements, and the list is parameterized with the same type T as the input list. Okay, now let's move to for loop, enhanced for loop, line number 17. This loop iterates through each element atom in the input list. Okay, now next line 18, inside the loop, this checks whether the predicate is satisfied for the current atom, and the test method of the predicate is, this is the test method. The test method of the predicate is used to evaluate the condition of the current element. If the condition defined by the predicate is met, the atom is added to the result list using the result dot add atom method. Okay, and later on the loop continues to the next element, and this process is repeated for all elements in the input list. And later on, after filtering all the elements, the result list contains only those elements that satisfy the condition specified by the predicate. Okay, and at last the method returns the result list which contains the filtered elements. Okay friends, so the filter list method is a generic utility method that can be used to filter list of any type based on various conditions defined by different predicate instances. So it's a flexible and reusable way to filter data in Java. So friends, yet we didn't see our output. It's time to get our output to the console. So let's run our code. So friends, it's a video. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code Jiffy. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.